Alright, let's try this again. I ran out of space on my phone, but only because I got projects and lots of videos coming. Lots of videos, so like, subscribe, and well, comment what you want to see. I got some videos already in the work someone wants to see. Yeah, but Microsoft buys Activision Blizzard for $70 billion. What? Well, it ain't actually 70, but well, here, let me go with this. Microsoft to acquire Activision Blizzard and 68.7 billion video game blockbuster, specifically 68.7. Bye bye PlayStation. I think PlayStation might bounce back, don't you think? We can keep this shit so going, right? Or we can actually stop this. Oh, speaking to my humanity. If we only could come together and actually fight the damn dark cabal. But I take an active quitter god, I swear. Something like that. Microsoft Xbox just bought Call of Duty publisher Activision Blizzard. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? And these subscribers of mine, subscriptions, of mine, are so asleep. They're so asleep. They just make entertainment videos, right? Even when they talking about, politics and stuff, nothing ever get done. Nothing ever get done. Round and round we go. When we stop, nobody knows. What is it? Let's see. Aha. This video right here. Pelosi's pick for transportation chair can't drive. That's how bad it getting. That's how bad it getting. Yep. I had 2 likes. I don't know. I might have more now. Only 4 views and 2 likes, and I got my own like. Because why not? Since I'm reviewing it. But yeah, totally. Like, let's see Blizzard games real quick. Let me read off, and you tell me if you noticing a trend with the Blizzard games, because I'll give you a hint. It's Satan's company. Anyways, let's see what this World of Warcraft, Overwatch. Oh, you got you crafting, got you war and like war to war type, demonic, non-human shit, right? But you got your Overwatch, like Watchers, the angels and stuff, right? You even had some angel symbolism in the game, as I remember. But Hearthstone, got that magic crafting and stuff. StarCraft, Starseed Craft, right? Diablo, StarCraft 2, Wings. Yeah, I got that wing symbolism for the second game. Of Liberty. Statue of Liberty looked like a guy, actually. Because it's actually Satan holding that torch. If you didn't know that, now you do. When it's all about God of the sun worship, when it's all about that, it's Willie Lucifer they worshiping. The fire, the lighting, stuff like that. But anyways, yeah, you got your Diablo 3, 2, Heroes of the Storm, Diablo 4, Blizzard Arcade, Collection, whatever, Diablo Immortal. Brand anything that they can. Warcraft 3, Reign of Chaos. These orcs almost look like they're humanoid reptilians in a way, and maybe monkeys. But anyways, Lost Vikings, Overwatch 2, if Overwatch wasn't good enough. Now I got Overwatch 2, Blackthorn. Remember, this is a company that treats the female gender like shit. Did we not remember the scandals at play? Warcraft, 3 we forwards, Warcraft, orcs and humans, but not versus, whatever. Warcraft 2, Tides of Darkness, Death and Return of Superman. And yeah, Superman got some very suspicious origins anyways. Man, I swear, Diablo 2, another Diablo game. Man, I get sick and tired of saying Diablo. God damn, anyone else feel the same way? Say Diablo too many times, you'll get sick and tired of saying it. Was Wexen, Norse by Norse, Wets, the return of, or something like that. I gotta look at it. Let me see if it comes up. Oh yeah, Return of the Lost Vikings. Oh, so another Lost Vikings game. Justice League Task Force. I bet it's a task force trying to control us humans. Because, you know, they control the justice, right? Somehow. Against us. And that don't make sense. StarCraft Remastered. Titan. You know, got a Titan symbolism. We all know what those are. Those are fallen angels, right? World of Warcraft. Shadowlands. Battle Chest. Warcraft Adventures. Oh, man, okay, let's just say there's a lot of games, and some worse than others, obviously. And it's all about this, like, demonically possessed witchcraft and war and symbolism all over the place. Jeez. Ay. A lot of demonic stuff. Anyways. But yeah, totally. So we all know what's going on, right? So what the meaning of this video? Well, I bring it to your attention that, hey, you know, they're going to try to intertwine this demonic sit into gaming. Literally. It might look cool at first, but when you constantly get into it, it is literally like it's trying to brainwash you with symbolism, bombard your mind with all kinds of programming and stuff. Like, oh, this type of existence is good for you. No, it's not. How you play games and what you play matters. Understand that? So, if any human watching this, well, hope you give a like, cause keep these videos going. Hopefully I can save some of my humanity from this chaos, this perpetual hell. They treat their own in that company like shit, like they are slaves or something. Holy shit. Sickening. Why would anyone want to support, let alone buy that company? Think about it. What, money, huh? What, fans, huh? Think about it. They want your lives. Understand? They don't care about you. They don't care about me. Well, they want to be me, I suppose, but at the end of the day, they are against the Creator God. They have declared it. Freemasons, Illuminati, so on and so forth. They are against anything that is holy. And that's always how it's going to be.
Actively playing games today and fueled by a new generation. Ad CEO, which is Bobby Kotick, which apparently might be sticking around.
What?
The price of this, and there's something else I want, worth billions and billions of dollars, and StarCraft. Microsoft to acquire Activision Blizzard to bring the joy and community of gaming to everyone across every device. Now, I want to read their official talks, and then we have to talk about Activision Blizzard's bad CEO, which is Bobby Kotick, which apparently might be sticking around.
What? He might be actually sticking around still? What? No way. Think about that. They don't even want to get rid of their own. Well, they are losing anyway, so I have heard their plans have been how would I say, had it been advanced, let's just say, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, maybe you haven't been around my channel as long as you should have been, but also you can easily look it up. There are lots of resources. Illuminati exposed, Freemason, Masonic symbolism, and what they are wanting to do, implement. One world government, new world order type of set. You can easily look it up. There's documentaries on this set. And they use games. They try to capture the mind and how they want to perpetuate war and stuff. Call of Duty, by the way, ain't about money, it's about your lives.